Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about the JavaScript DOM elements and events objective to create web pages which demonstrate the applications of document object model and events in JavaScript. Description document object model. A document object represents the HTML document that is displayed in that window. The document object has various properties that refer to the other objects which allow access to and modification of document content. The way a document content is accessed and modified is called the document object model or DOM. Finding HTML element by ID, JavaScript events, and simple sample questions. Write a function that accepts a string as a parameter. Find the short and longest word within the string. Example: string web development tutorial. Accepted output: shortest web development, longest development. Hint: split and BMI calculator. The following HTML snippet shows the skeleton of a BMI calculator. Write a calculate function that takes the weight and height in the text boxes and displays the BMI in the span and ID of the score. BMI is calculated from the equation weight, height, and height. You should also describe the person's body type based on the BMI score by using the following criteria: underweight, normal, overweight, obsessive, and fruit form. The following HTML snippet is from a web page that allows the user to design rectangular fruit and beds with. When you click the plant garden button, the page should be generated a rectangle with the fruit by the boxes. Write the grows JavaScript function the complete the functionality web page. You should randomly display the apple.jpg or orange.jpg for each fruit image, and either fruit should show up with the equal probability. And the current currency converted. The following HTML snippet shows the skeleton rupee to dollars to rupees conversion tool. Right, the converter function that takes the value in the text input and converts it from the unit selected in the left drop down. And coin flip and the last one birthday cake order form. And the following HTML snippet, and let's see the program experiment. And 5, let's see the code for 5.1. And doc type HTML longest shortest text finder and charged UTF name viewport content width device width financial scale 1.0 stylish sheet text CSS experiment 5. And with HCRF string length, BMI calculator, fruit frame, the currency converter, coin flip, birthday cake, and the first one is longest shortest word finder, and longest shortest string, and text button, and get shortest and longest string, calculate string margin 2% ID strong short, calculate string document get elements by ID, string length, string split, long short length I plus plus length long dot length short dot length. So document get element by ID long inner HTML long word long plus long document get element by ID short inner HTML short word plus short. And let's run the program for this one. 5.1 shortest word and longest word. And Amit get the shortest word. Shortest word is Ramo, longest word is Amit. And let's see the second one. The second one is doc type HTML title BMI calculator. BMI calculator style sheet text CSS and width 10%. And let's see the class start margin 5% body mass index BMI calculator weight in type text weight and 0 to 9 height in meter type text height, and input type button. BMI calculator calculate BMI score type, and BMI calculator personal float document dot get element by ID height value. W parse float document dot get element ID weight value. BMI is equals to W by H star H. Tower type BMI greater than 18. Underweight BMI less than is equals to 25. Type is equals to normal. Now overweight BMI 30. Type obsessive, and get filtered by score inner HTML BMI plus BMI. Document get HTML by ID type inner HTML body type. And let's run the program. Let's run the program. The weight is 20, height 3. Calculate BMI 2 point. BMI calculate 2.222.3. Body type underweight. And let's see the third one. View for this one. Doc type HTML fruit frame, and fruit frame number of columns and number of rows. Plant garden document type, and number math follower math random. Garden image src number is equals to 2. That element as inner HTML. And let's run the program. Number of columns 6, and number of rows 4. Plant garden, and here is the plant garden. And let's see the next one. Fourth one. And currency converter, and the type of HTML currency converter with 70% margin. Auto converter convert currency text ID data pattern placeholder and currency value, and Indian rupee US Indian rupee to US dollar, and US dollar to Indian rupee. From button on click the converter convert, and convert function convert. And let's convert the program. And we can see the output here. Amount 300 Indian rupee to US dollar, and US dollar to Indian rupee. And we can see the output. And let's see the next one. Let's see the coin flip. Next, doc type HTML coin flip display in line block style width, and start heads or tails, and heads.jpg image button flip and button. And we should run the program. Coin flip. Once we flip its tails, and next we flip its heads, and the output is working. Let's see the sixth one. And 5.6. Birthday cake order, and let's see the viewpoint HTML 100%, and order cake, the order details, number of half kgs, and number of kg, number of 2 kg, text input, total cost of order, and the HTML total, and total how much orders we got. And let's see the output. Number of half kgs 4, number of 1 kgs 3, number of 2 kgs 1. And let's calculate the order. 16 10. Thank you guys by watching my video.